Hello, welcome to this RS² engineering video according to our bike startup checklist. This video is for chapter 1, check of bike conditions. First, please check if the things you get back from us, ECU, both connectors are fitted well. You can check this with this secure slots. If you've also received the dash back from us, please make sure that the dash is fitted correct as well. The next thing we have to check are the speed sensors, and especially the sensor rims. Please make sure that there are no bumps or other defects on it. To check the whole rim, you can move the bike forward or backward. Please check the sensor and its correct fitting as well. Do this on the front side and on the rear side too. The last thing we have to check is the clutch sensor. The clutch sensor is necessary for the correct function of the shift assistant. You can hear the clutch sensor clicking. And last but not least, please check if the connector, the clutch sensor, is fitted well. That was chapter 1. We'll see you next time at the next chapter.